Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we will be assembling this is the Leopard 1. It's available at miniaturetanks.com. Alright, so here's all the pieces. First, let's separate pieces that don't require clipping away the sprue cuts and such. So there's all that. So it's just this piece here. Requires a sprue cut. That's pretty easy. Sprue cutting that up. Not so. There's this here. Let's cut away this support plastic that's underneath this gun here. So do it like I'm doing here. You can see how I'm doing that. Just carefully clip away this plastic support underneath this gun. And cut like that. Alright, so that piece is done. And then if you wish, take some sanding supplies, sanding stick or something, and sand underneath that gun. Make that better. Now we're done. Now let's glue together the kit. So the first step, put some glue here, glue like that. Set that piece aside like that, and then just take this piece, try to get that in the correct position. There you go. That's pretty good. Once that is in the correct position, then you want to glue this piece on. So put some like this. Put a dab of glue there and a dab of glue there. And then go ahead and put that like that. The center there. Alright, so the body of this tank is coming together. Now let's put this little back piece on. To do that, let's put some glue there, a little bit of glue there, and just a little bit of glue there. And then go ahead and like this. Try to get that in the correct position. Sometimes it takes some careful work. Get that in a good position there. Alright, so once you have that back piece in the correct position, firmly place it down, so press it there, that way the glue gets in there good. So now is the time to, well, put the tracks there. Let's go ahead and put the tracks. So just put some glue along these things. Doesn't have to be all of them, but just enough to get contact there with the tracks. Use the tracks like this for the gear parts on the back. And there you go. Try to get where, like that. Try to get it where all those little things are in the middle. The little axle things are in the middle, and that's the way it should look. Put some glue on the other side. All right. That's good. Just double checking everything. Making sure it's going down well. Alright, so the body of this, the whole of this tank, good. You can put the skirts on. And we will, but I'll do that after the turret just so you see the full experience of the turret. And it's always good to test fit everything. So there you go. See that? That's where that should be placed. And you can use the flat surface of the table to line that up really well. So go ahead and place some glue like that and right there. And then let's use the flat surface of the table like I was telling you. Place that down. So see how that all worked? I guess you don't need glue there. Fine, whatever. So, pretty good. And then you can place this there, but there is some cutting here. So take your clippers, clip this piece off, and then you can glue that down. There you go, put some glue there. Then we're even using the flat surface of the table to help with the gluing of this together. You find that it's not enough glue there, put some glue on the edges here. Now let's try that again. There you go. And what's next? Put some glue along the edges here. And then you want to carefully place this like that. There you go. So there's the turret. And you can place that in there, but I'll just let the glue dry for a bit. Leopard 1. Let's glue on the skirts. You optionally can have these skirts, or you could just not. So let's put on the skirts. To do that, just put a bunch of glue along this here, like I showed you. Let's get these skirts there. There you go. Carefully putting on that skirt. Let's go ahead and put it on the other side. And then carefully put on this skirt. There you go. Skirt's on. There's the turret. And the turret can traverse. Really nice. Now, that's if you buy the Leopard 1 kit. If you bought the Leopard 1 kit with Searchlight, there it is. So to do that, just clip off the Searchlight, clean up the sprue cut. Oh, and then of course, like I did before, clip this plastic support off from underneath this gun. There you go. And so the first step for this little searchlight process is to actually glue on the little searchlight. So just put a dab of glue where the searchlight will go. And I'm going to use the tweezers here. There you go. There's the searchlight. And then let's get this turret glued together. Should be good. Like I showed you, you can use the surface of the table. There you go. And then put some glue there and maybe on the edges. Gluing should be done at this point. Oh, before you put glue, remember to do this. Like we did on the other one. And glue that turret to be together. All right, so there is the Leopard 1 with the searchlight. And there is the Leopard 1 tank, the default Leopard 1. There it is. Thank you so much for watching. This is available at miniaturetanks.com. This is Leopard 1, and this is the Leopard 1 with the searchlight. Both available. This is the assembly video for them both. Thank you for watching.